All right, I got a call a little bit ago while I was at the DMV that the huge storms we've had the past few days have sunk a couple of boats in the lake, and they want some help bringing them up, so they needed a diver. So they called me, and I'm gonna go help them bring up these boats from the bottom of the lake. All right, so this first place we're at, it's a private dock, so I can't tell you the super detail of it, but it's a private dock, and the boat is like half sunk in the water. So they've got a bunch of lift bags, and we're gonna attach those to the bottom of the boat, and then they're going to inflate the lift bags and place them up. Inside of the boat. We're gonna start pumping it. Doesn't help that it's raining again. I just got out of the lake, 49-degree water, and I'm literally shaking, I'm so cold, but the gentleman whose boat we saved made me some coffee. Okay, time to get warm. Alright, so we just pulled this boat out of the water. It was half sunk from all the storms we've just had, but we just got it out. Sipping on a coffee. Success. Okay. All right, guys. So we just got done pulling the boat out of the water.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Paradise Boats and their crew.
Yep.
If your boat sinks, call Howie the boat guy. 818-324-0356. 818-324-0356. We'll buy your boat, we'll sell your boat, we'll fix your boat, and we'll pull it out of the water if it sinks.
There you go. You hear that, guys?
All right.